Lucas, come, right now.
Coming!
I heard Hugo cry. What's going on?
He didn't react well. He's having a seizure.
What? Mother, you must stop this. We don't know this man.
Amicia, this sort of thing was always likely. And this man is an exalted member of the most ancient college of alchemists that exists. The Order knows the macula. Hugo is not alone. I'm here. We need Nightshade as soon as possible to calm the tremors. There is a herbalist in the outskirts of the city. It's at the other end of the Butcher's District, at the edge of the forest. You'll see.
Of course.
I'm coming. I feel useless here anyway. Things are getting worse and worse.
I know you're worried, but you should give Magister Vodon some time.
Time? To do what? Make Hugo feel even worse?
He's conducting tests, but he knows what he's doing. He's the most competent in his domain.
Oh, enough of that! He's been treating my brother like an animal! No. We need another solution. Like this island Hugo dreams of.
A dream? What can we do with a dream, Amicia?
Just keep caring about him, please.
I care, but it's not enough anymore.
Everybody's gone.
I think it's through here.
I can't believe they blocked the way to the arena.
What's happened down there?
All right.
Don't know.
Our gate should be over there.
Smell.
Oh, it stinks.
Well, that means we're on the right path. There it is. All right. You ready?
Yes, let's go. Ugh. Rotten flesh.
Yes, it's the Butcher's District. It's the shortest way to the herbalist.
Come on, good people! I've got all the poultry you could ever want.
Pork, to roast, to boil. Tastiest
If you never tried beef, you don't
Looks
know what
tasty
you're
for
missing.
sure.
There's the city gate.
We're not there yet. And Hugo might even be getting worse right now. Let's hurry.
It will be all right.
Dad is all alone at home.
I'll go soon,
What's
Mum.
going on?
Let us through.
What's this?
Nothing good, it seems.
This district is now closed on the authority of the Count Victor of Arles. For your own safety, do not try to get inside.
You can't keep us out!
No! Hugo can't wait!
There might be another way in.
Tell us what's happening!
My children are in there! We know something's going on!
What are you hiding from us?
Hey, there's a back alley through there.
To go.
What do you think?
Do you see a way in?
Wait. I think... Yes. Through here, Amicia.
It looks safe.
Is it someone's home?
We're just passing. Oh, you must be joking.
The butcher's dump. We're going in there.
Don't think, just hold your breath. No!
No, 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 no.
Oh no, don't tell me.
Yes. I got something in my mouth.
I said hold your breath.
I panicked.
Oh, Lucas.
All the living things that must be born from this.
Why in the world would you think about that?
It stops me from losing my mind.
But it takes me closer to losing mine.
Just think of it as matter. Being transformed.
Oh, Lord.
The ground is soaked with blood.
Like the arena. This whole place is just bait. There's a cart in the way. We have to keep going. Help me with this.
Yes.
Wait! What is that? Oh no! No! Not them! Not again!
We're going to need fire, quick!
I knew it. They're already spreading. Now we'll have to go through them again.
We can do it. Just stay focused on getting in Nightshade.
Yes, yes.
You hear that? There are still people around.
They didn't evacuate the district. It's like in the arena.
The fires won't be bright enough to let us cross. They came for the meat.
They need to move.
They want that hanging carcass, right?
Of course they do.
They can't reach it. That bag. It's like the ones in the cart. Try hitting it with your sling.
What's that powder?
Saltpeter. It normally preserves meat, but it's thick enough to choke the flames.
Good to know. Lord, it's infested.
Let's leave now!
Wait! For light!
Townsfolk.
I guess. How many are there left? Now the fire.
We'd need some saltpeter.
Yes. This is more saltpeter, right?
Yes, a lot of it.
This should put any fire out.
Let's try.
That's close enough. Come, don't stay there.
Wait, I'm taking some. This stuff is too useful. All right, it's all yours now.
I have it. Stay back. That's it. Let's keep going.
Yes, well done. I really hope we find our herbalist in this mess.
He's outside the city, right? So maybe he's safe.
Three more down here. They didn't let go easily.
Oh no, a soldier.
Hey! What are you doing here?
We're just crossing.
No one gets out. Those are the orders.
Wait, no!
You should be dead.
He's going to throw. Amicia!
Oh, Lord. That was so close.
You just killed a soldier of the army of Provence.
I know. Why did he attack us?
They're killing townsfolk.
They're purging the districts now.
Hey! Get back here, you bastard!
No!
Oh, you won't go farther. Goddamn biters kill faster than us.
He'll execute us on sight.
It's us or them now. Hugo can't wait. We need that nightshade fast.
I guess you're right. Listen, you can use that saltpeter against them. Take this to craft some extinguish. It should be enough to put out that torch.
Extinguish. All right. Done.
Now shoot it at that torch to, you know.
I know.
Goodness. Worked.
We did it in the past, but let's get down another one.
The more dead we have. You there! What are you doing? We get.
Shit. Don't count on me to open it.
No time to cry over them. Hugo's waiting.
Remember to mark the houses you've cleaned with a cross. It's in.
The hell? Saw something. I'll check. We have to hide.
Stay there, or I'll make you regret it.
We must leave the city. Leave this Vaudin behind.
For what, Amicia? A dream of an island.
A dream he's been having for weeks. The city gate.
At last.
Remember, men, stay in the light at all costs.
Oh no. They're heading out. All our blizzards out there.
Don't tell me they're also purging the outskirts. Oh, God damn it.
Hey, we can still reach him before then.
Never ends. Let's see what it has. A tool. I could improve my gear if I found a workbench.
Soldiers.
Nah. I heard he gave the beast full power over the city.
The beast? That explains the carnage. The man's a dog of war.
2 torches.
Your jar. A cloud of extinguish will put out several torches.
A jar of extinguish. That could work.
What are you doing? The collectors swept the place already.
Maybe they left something behind.
Good luck with that.
They've wasted enough of our time already. Come.
They closed the portcullis.
There must be a way to open it again. I hope Hugo's holding on.
I hate to say it, but he survived worse.
This has to stop. We're going to have a problem.
What?
There's no brake on this thing, so we'll have to run. That's it. Release on my go. Go!
Coming!
Come on! Faster!
I'm right behind you!
Yes.
We're here. Good work.
Look. No rats.
So they stopped at the city walls.
They don't care about walls. They care about food.
I don't see any soldiers either.
Hey. I've just remembered. In Baudin's laboratory, there was a fresco with an island on it. I saw it, Lucas. What about that? Baudin must know about it.
All right, all right. I'll try to ask.
Thank you. Now, Mother said the herbalist lives at the edge of a forest. We should be close.
It's so quiet.
It feels off. There were people here not too long ago. Someone used that forge recently.
Hey, there's a workbench here. You can improve your gear with it. You should take a look right now. We don't know what awaits us.
Now I can use that tool I found. That's better. That'll help.
We're good to go?
Yes, let's go. Oh, there's a body here.
The rats.
No. Stabbed. Probably soldiers.
Come on. They're here. They're here too.
I told you, no wall can stop them.
It's those carcasses.
Yes, they keep following the blood.
But we don't know where the blood stops.
Hey!
No.
We forgot you. Well, I'll fix that.
Oh, the damn bastard.
I'm afraid we're not done with them.
This has to end. Come on. Where's that damn nightshade?
I know it looks like hell, but stay focused on your tasks. Cleaners, make sure the bodies stay in the light. Collectors,
You stay right there, you hear?
garrison needs food and weapons.
They act like it's war.
A war they've lost already.
They're coming here.
Happening! Stay alert!
We've been spotted. Be more careful.
I'm careful enough.
We got intruders here!
Oh no! Drawing blood. That's all they know.
They're soldiers.
They're just meat with swords.
herbalist.
What are you doing with my plants? I've got doctors and sick who need them.
That's why we need you and your plants now. Shut up.
Oh, God. These bodies. I knew these people.
Don't look at them if
We have to do something. They're surrounded by rats.
Well, you want me to help you?
Let's forget about it.
You're all dead already.
Listen, herbalist. Stop right now. You'll all...
No,
I had no choice.
maybe. But it's done anyway. Let's not stay here.
The nightshade, Lucas. It's over.
Not yet. I know what it looks like. We can still do this. We just need to find the herbalist shop. Just control yourself. You won't make it in that state.
I'm trying, but these dogs are only making Hugo's suffering worse.
This is outrageous.
That's the herbalist.
What are you doing with my plants? I've got doctors and sick who need them.
That's why we need you and your plants now. Shut up.
Yeah, I wish you could get a bite of me, eh?
Wait.
I had no choice.
Maybe. But it's done anyway. Let's not stay here.
The nightshade, Lucas. It's over.
Not yet. I know what it looks like. We can still do this. We just need to find the herbalist shop. Just control.
No! Amicia!
This is outrageous.
That's the herbalist.
What are you doing with my plants? I've got doctors and sick who need them.
That's why
what's
we
the
need
matter?
you and your
Don't
plants
like
now.
the
Shut up.
lights?
Oh, God. These bodies. I knew these people.
Don't look at them if it upsets you.
I had no choice.
Maybe. But it's done anyway. Let's not stay here.
The nightshade, Lucas. It's over.
Not yet. I know what it looks like. We can still do this. We just need to find the herbalist shop. Just control yourself. You won't make it in that state.
I'm trying, but these dogs are only making Hugo's suffering worse.
Let's keep moving. They came through that gate. The herbalist shop must be somewhere on the other side.
Yes. Let's move on.
Ah, they've locked it. Calm down. It's an ancient wall. There might be another way.
Yes. Let's look. Through here.
Good. I think we're safe for now.
I made sure of it.
You didn't have to kill them all.
Just be glad you're not in one of those carts. Plants. Lucas, tell me it's here.
We're at the herbalist, but we'll have to look.
So what does Nightshade look like?
Look for a purple flower in the shape of a star.
Purple star. Purple star. Oh no, not the right shape.
It's all right. Just keep looking.
Nothing. Empty. I know that one. Chamomile.
Oh, a nice plant. Very useful.
Yes. Mother used to give us some when we had stomachache. Back when that was one of the worst things that could happen to us. The florist. The herbalist's wife. They killed her.
Oh, no.
Bastards. She was gentle. No flowers here. Oh, Lord, focus. Focus.
Hey, we're here now. It's all right.
That's not it. There's nothing here, Lucas.
I know. Let's check the house.
Yes, it has to be there. Gardening tools. You must be joking. It's all junk. This is going nowhere.
Wait.
And now I'm not even there for him. How will we ever get back? Hands are sweaty.
Look for anybody hiding!
Amicia, come look. Soldiers, you should see for yourself.
Much time, so let's make it count!
You, stay here and patrol. Report if you see one bloody rat. The others with me. Look for any valuables. We need food, drugs, any goods.
They're going in. What do we do? Hey,
What?
you're not all right.
I am.
No, you're not. You're not even breathing right now.
I'm dizzy. My heart's pounding.
I know. Listen, the Count's soldiers are going to seize everything. We've got to get the nightshade before they do. I have to.
No.
You're in no state to do this. I'm going. I'll sneak in. I can do it.
If anything,
I will run. It's not my first time.
what is wrong with me? I knew it. I knew it. All right. Move, quick. Come on.
Attention! We just caught a looter over there. There may be others. Search the area and kill on sight.
Understood. Spread out, men! Be careful!
Oh, stupid. Why did you let him go by himself? You stop. Stop being weak. Stop being scared. Go. Go get him back. No more holding back. Save him. Whatever it takes.
A looter? Who's crazy enough to come out here?
Lucas, he's alive. Bastards, when I get to you.
There's no point searching here. They can't have got far.
Nothing. I'm wasting my time here.
Lucas, get the nightshade. Get out. Kill whoever tries to stop you. Hang in there, Lucas. I'm here. I'll make them pay.
What do looters want with that place? You think they're looking for drugs too?
Same as us.
Bastards. You'll all pay.
Nothing. Better move on.
I'd better have a look over there. start looking elsewhere.
Let's search another area.
What's that?
You idiots! Now I know where you're hiding! Come out, you coward!
It was coming from here. Please be alive, please.
Speak, boy! Who's with you? Come on! And act like you couldn't come here by himself. Speak
It's
now,
me you
or I'll
want.
kill ya.
Just not let me go!
Did they hurt you?
I'll survive. Thanks.
This one learned his lesson. Mangy dogs.
Hey, forget about him. I found the nightshade. We have to go now.
I heard shouts in the bar!
They're coming. Go hide. I'll handle them.
Guarding the prisoner!
No, we got what we need. Let's leave now.
No, they'll come after us, and I'm done running away.
Man down! We've got an intruder here! Alert!
That's it. Come. I'm right here. There you go! See? They're nothing! Nothing to be scared of!
Amicia, what are you doing? We have to go.
No! I'm tired of being afraid. I'll show them that it's over! Come, I'll give you what you want.
He has a shield. Careful.
Intruder here! She's armed!
Shoot the bags, Amicia. It'll blind them.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! How'd you like that, huh? When someone fights back!
There are too many. They'll keep coming if we don't go.
Go if you want! This is my ground now! This is where they die!
I killed you! You're dead!
Oh yes, come then! Show me how you'll do it! That's all you've got? Come on!
Stop. They'll die.
Yeah! Rob! You're just scared! You have to drive fear into them! Yes, follow me. Good talk.
Stop her! She's just a kid, man!
In there!
Man down! We've got an intruder here! Alert!
That's it. Come. I'm right here. Ah! There you go! Ah! Ah! See? They're nothing! Nothing to be scared of!
Amicia, what are you doing? We have to go.
No! I'm tired of being afraid. I'll show them that it's over. Come, I'll give you what you want.
He has a shield. Careful.
Intruder here! She's armed!
Shoot the bags, Amicia. It'll blind them.
Yes! Yes! How'd you like that, huh? When someone fights back!
There are too many. They'll keep coming if we don't go.
Go if you want! This is my ground now! This is where they die! Yeah!
I killed you! You're dead!
Oh yes, come then! Show me how you'll do it! That's all you've got? Come on!
You have to stop. They'll die here.
Bro, you're just scared! You have to drive fear into them! Yes, follow me. Good talk.
Stop her! She's not doing playing a grown-up!
Yeah, just a kid that's killing you! Patience. It'll be your turn soon.
In there!
Ah!
Nice!
Yes, come! Come try! Look, this is how it works now. I set the rules!
Enough! The old in our hands!
No! It's in mine now! You're dead! You're goddamn dead!
teach you to kill my men. Don't think we're done with you yet. Don't expect a quick death after what you've done. We've paid the executioner to spend a bit of time with you before you hang.
You should sit down.
Oh, so that's all you have to say? Come on. You can do better than that. You have a whole garrison here, why don't you really let yourself go?
Stop.
No! Do you see the situation we're in? We were just supposed to get herbs. How do you think Hugo feels right now without them? How will he feel when his sister is
I
hanged?
made a mistake, right? I don't know what's happening to me, Lucas. I feel my mind going.
Yes, because this world hurts. And it keeps hurting. And you want to hurt it back. But it's a fight you cannot win, Amicia. You are not them. You are a Darun.
Hey! The gallows is almost ready. Prepare to condemn.
That's us. Listen. This thing works with fire. I'll tell you when I'm ready.
Get out. Your noose is awaiting.
I'm ready. Tell me when.
Stop there. We'll wait for the executioner. He must be finishing one right now. Behave in front of the beast. You're cold meat now. Food for the crow.
Lucas, the stairs. Run. It won't last. What was that? I call it stupefaction. You'll get used to it.
That was efficient.
Wow, they still have my sling. Now's not the time.
That will slow them down. You saved our skin down there.
Yes, yes. Where to now?
There should be a walkway or a roof. Locked.
No, we can't be trapped. There's a window there.
It overlooks a roof, Lucas. No, oh, Lord, that's high.
Is it safe?
Sort of. Come.
Oh, wow. This is really not safe at all.
Shh, calm down. Come. I think it's the only way out of here.
Are you joking?
No, just stick to the wall.
Oh, please, please, please.
You can do it. Sorry to put you through this. This is my fault.
I honestly don't care right now.
There's another roof. Almost there. Did it.
Let's get off this roof. Please.
I hope they managed to secure...
God, I can't do anything. Let's pass it quietly. Here.
From the outskirts. Butcher's District Gate.
Ah, you're the ones who met that crazy girl, right?
That bloody witch in her sling. But the beast got her. And we've got enough meat to hold out for a week.
Nice work. Get to the depot fast. The girl is to be hanged.
Another guard.
Quite a crowd.
What's this? He's coming here.
Who the hell are you?
No!
He won't move. But there's a fire. Do you still have some of your smoke thing?
The stupefaction. Yes. Tell me whenever you're ready.
Lucas, throw a stupefaction.
Will do. Get ready. We don't have much time.
down there. I hope he's all right.
The city's Dave now.
Yes. Let's go back to our house.
Fuck! Steph! It's gotta be. Really? What's the point of stocking up for a siege? I'm not saying people won't panic, but a riot?
They'll want to flee the city. The problem will be when they realise they can't.
No, just pushing forward.
Hey, are you finished, by the way?
Under the table. Quick.
Oh no.
Cleaning the depot.
I'll be doing just that for 2 days. Let me take my break, goddammit.
Stay still. Let's go.
So damn tired. I can't sleep with all this going. Get here! We've got company!
They found us.
You're not getting out of here alive.
No!
Really? What's the point of stocking up for a siege? I'm not saying people won't panic.
Do you know where we're going?
No, just pushing forward.
Finished, by the way.
Under the table. Quick.
Oh no.
Cleaning the depot.
I'll be doing just that for 2 days. Let me take my break, goddammit.
Stay still. Let's go.
So damn tired. I can't sleep with all this going on.
Good. We're doing it.
We are.
Hey, that's the main gate down there.
It's so close. We need to find a way down.
Can't wait to be back home.
Mother will be so furious. I let everyone down.
Don't think about that now.
Here, a way down. Oh, Lucas, I think we found that depot.
Really? Yes, you're right. So that means the nightshade should be somewhere here.
And my sling too. All right, you look for the nightshade. I'll look for my sling. We may need it.
Right. Nightshade. I hope it's still in my pouch. Dry plants, powders. Keep looking.
Weapons. Swords, knives. No sling. Let's try somewhere else. Let's pray no one comes in. Or we're...
No. Don't say that word.
Yes.
No. But that could be useful anyway. Give me some nightshade.
Looks locked. Maybe with a knife?
Let's keep this for later.
Oh, here you are. I've got it.
Careful with that, all right?
I know.
That smell. That's... Yes! I've got the nightshade, Amicia.
Finally. This hasn't been for nothing. Wait, I know this. Lucas, they have a map of Guyenne.
Really? What's it doing here?
I don't know. Here's the ocean, the lake. Home was It was around here, yes.
Hey, don't torture yourself with this right now.
Yes. It's all in the past. Knife, but it was worth it. Plenty of things in here. I should keep an eye out. There could be more of those chests. Let's see what can be done. Time to get to work. Should make things a bit easier. Let's make some changes.
So, how long before we go?
Don't know, don't care. You don't want to go out there, believe me.
Damn, the gate is right there.
They're too many. We can't sneak past them.
And we can't stay either. We need a plan.
I don't know. This place is full of things.
Let's take a look around.
Of course. You see what I see?
What?
Up there.
The ballista.
Listen. I've gathered enough materials here to make a large quantity of stupefaccio. So we stick the paste to the tip of the bolt, shoot it, and hopefully the friction from the impact will light it up.
And we'll get enough smoke to blind them all.
If it works.
We don't have any better ideas. Let's get that ballista down.
There's a crank up there.
How can we climb up? I don't see anything.
There has to be something.
Hey, go fetch more men! We're doubling the head count on patrols.
We must hurry. There'll be even more soon.
Well, I don't know. This place is a mess. There could be... There! I found a cart.
Yes, well done. Let's get that in place. They're far too quiet.
The mess in town must be playing to our advantage.
Yes, they're getting scared. Good. Let's man that crank. Let's go. Oh, this thing is heavy.
Have you ever used something like this before?
Of course not. What? Oh, there's a counter. Lucas, I need you to take care of this.
Naturally. Down we go.
It's working.
Yes.
The chain's cut. You can let go.
Good.
Let's get it to the door, quick. We've only got one shot.
I know.
If we fail, Hugo will be alone and...
And we'll die.
And we don't want that. Let's stop here.
Wait. The stupefaccio.
This is crazy, Lucas.
I think we're past that point.
All right.
It's set. I think the crank on the side arms it.
I'm on it. So, when do you open the doors?
I won't. Shoot through it. We need friction to get the reaction.
What? But we don't even know if it will go through.
Too late for that.
Get ready.
I am.
At last, what took you so long?
Well,
The herbalist was out when we arrived. We had to wait. But we have everything.
We shall give this to him.
Yes, we've lost enough time already.
How is he?
Exhausted. He fell asleep when it calmed down.
Please
He's
tell him.
fine. He's in good hands, the best you can be sure.
I hope so. For your sake.
Huh.